This is Korede from Promage Studios. To create that video, what I'm going to do, firstly, I will just click on Get Project. Then I will search for Brunch Cafe. So I'll select this one over here. So I'll click here to download it. So now it has finished downloading. Let's go back to our home screen. You can see it is among my project files here, so I can just click on it. So the next thing we are going to do is to download all the required assets. Everything has finished downloading. The next thing I'm going to do now is to replace these media files with either pictures or videos from my own device. So I'll click on it, then come to replace. So I'll repeat the same process for every other media file that is here. For this particular one, I'm going to bring in the same image twice. As you can see, it was the same image they used 2 times. Now that I've successfully replaced all the media files, I'm going to be making adjustment to the styles of these clip graphics. So beginning from this one now, I'll click on it, then come to clip graphics. So this is the particular one I'm going to use for this one. So I'm going to be changing this one also. Next I'm going to be changing now is the right tops. Beginning from this one, I'll click on it, come to clip graphics. Then over here I can change it to my own. To change the font, I'll click on this button here. Okay, so I'll be changing this other right top also. So if I click on it, I'll come to edit. I'll quickly be changing all of them now. Just before we continue, I want to inform you that this channel is dedicated to teaching how to shoot and edit videos with smartphone. If that's what you're interested in, I would like you to subscribe. The next thing I'm going to be doing now is to add another text. So I'll click on layers, come to text. So let me change the font color to black. Then I'll give it a background color of yellow. Let me change the font of this clip graphics also to yellow. So I'll just click on it, color. Let's use yellow. Okay. So the next I'm going to remove is this deep to black that is at the end of it. So I don't want it to end at deep to black. So I'll just come to settings. I'll go to video and remove the fade at the end. Good. So at the end it doesn't fade away again. If you've learned something from this video, I want you to tell me in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Shalom.